guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae. I just got back from Trader Joe's and I'm pretty sure this is my first time going to Trader Joe's all of 2021, pretty sure. So I haven't been in a minute, and honestly I was trying not to get distracted with all the new stuff and focus on getting healthy things that were just on my list so I could do meal prep today. But I'm gonna end up showing you guys some stuff that I eat, like essential items that are part of my day-to-day meals and things that I basically eat to put on healthy weight. So let's just start. Let's see how much we paid. $108. That's on brand with me. I usually spend about $100 or so for my weekly trips, and obviously I say weekly, but a lot of this stuff will last me, you know, 2 weeks or so, even more, depending on if it's frozen, if it's a pantry item, and so forth. So I ended up picking up some of their Tangerine 100% juice. This is amazing. I used to rave about this stuff all the time. I love this for adding additional carbs into my day-to-day. 110 calories per serve, and it just tastes really good. So I highly recommend you guys try that out. It's very good compared to your standard bottled juices in the sense that the only ingredient is tangerine juice, so you know what you're consuming. I also picked up some of the sweet pull apart Aloha rolls. These are amazing. These are freaking delicious, and they have 5 grams of protein in just one roll, and I love doing sandwiches with these or just adding them to a side salad or something like that. They're amazing on their own, and I'm pretty much obsessed with them. I also picked up 2 mini ginger shots, something that I like to add into my weekly routine. I don't have these every day, but I noticed that when I do, I have more energy. I feel like my digestion is on point. I feel just cleansed if ever I have any like sinuses or anything like that. So that's amazing. All about the Whole Foods. Ooh, so excited. I got some Jasmine mango slices. Whenever I have a sweet tooth or something, I go for these, especially like late at night snacking. These are great pre or post workout, give you a little bit of extra sugar. And what I like about these is there's no additional sugar or anything. They're already very sweet on their own, and sometimes I feel like these are too sweet. So let's say you're used to eating like fruit roll-ups or something, this is a great alternative, and to me they taste even better. So this is 130 calories for 4 pieces. Love those. And I got some lemons. I'm gonna be making some meal prep today, and I needed some lemon juice to go with the meal that I'm gonna be making. So I love having citrus as well. Definitely keeps my skin looking good. I got some Jasmine frozen rice. I love the Jasmine rice. There's 3 in each box, and I eat a whole pouch for 1 meal. And rice is pretty filling in the sense that, well, I don't know how many servings is in 1 pouch because there's 3 in 1 box, but it's like 600 calories if you eat the whole thing. And if you're bulking, you gotta eat your rice. It's a great source of carbs. I also picked up this huge thing of strawberries. So excited. They looked really good. I'm planning on eating most of them today, and then like tomorrow I want to make some chocolate covered strawberries just as like a healthier dessert, and maybe I'll show that in this video, or maybe I'll do a what I eat in a day and I can show you guys like full meals and stuff like that. I'm really excited. I don't know if it's strawberry season or what, but those look amazing. I also picked up some eggs. I don't really eat eggs every day. I go through this phase where I'm into it and then I'm not into it, and right now I'm kind of craving like boiled eggs, soft boiled, so I'll be doing that. And obviously it's a great source of protein, and when you're bulking, you want to put on healthy weight, you gotta be very aware of how much protein you have in each day. So for my vegetable, I picked up some Brussels sprouts. Really excited. Haven't had Brussels sprouts in a hot minute, so I'll be meal prepping with these today. And what is this I saw on the Trader Joe's Instagram, and I don't really buy, you know, stuff like this all the time, especially if I'm trying to meal prep and eat super clean. But whenever they come out with new stuff, I love to try things out that I've never had, especially when it's like different spices and flavor profiles. So I don't even know how to pronounce this, but I do know that it is a Middle Eastern inspired dish, and it's a stuffed meatball. It looked very good. I also thought this would be good because it's high in protein, 7 grams for just 1, and there are 6 in each box, and it's made with beef and like a wheat crust, and it also has onions and different spices, which include salt, pepper, paprika, allspice, cumin, coriander, and it just looked very clean with the ingredients. So if you have an allergy, there is wheat in here, just so you guys know. Hopefully that is focusing. Just want to let you guys know some new things that are in if you are interested to try them out. So love that. I'm gonna try that out too as well. And then I also just got more rice, obviously. Love to see it. And for my proteins, this week we're gonna be doing it the lazy way. I just don't really feel like cooking raw meats and stuff just because I eat a lot, and look, I just don't want to be spending my time in the kitchen. Like today I worked out for 95 minutes. I don't want to cook. I just want to like eat some food, right? So I grabbed one of the lemon pepper grilled chickens. This one is really good. I also picked up the balsamic and rosemary chicken. And then I love sandwiches and I love lunch meats, and they're just super easy and quick to do. Protein, pair it with some bread, got some carbs, boom, it's done. So I grabbed the pepper turkey breast. What is this? The rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. And then I also got the maple turkey breast as well, and I go for these like crazy. For protein, this one has 12 grams, and so does the chicken, so it's both the same, which is really good for a serving, and I double that up, so I basically have like super high protein meals just because my serving portions are a lot bigger now. And then I'm really excited about this. I don't know if I put this in my last Trader Joe's haul, but I recently tried it out and I fell in love with it. And this is just the scallops wrapped in bacon, and it's made with brown sugar with a glaze. And I freaking love this combo together. This has 9 grams of protein for just 3 pieces. Now I will say, when I was baking these in my oven, I have like gas oven, I thought my apartment was gonna burn down because it was smoking so much from the grease and stuff, and it cooks so quick, especially being like a scallop. You don't want to overcook it. So I was a little bit paranoid about baking it, but I will say it was worth it because they were really freaking delicious, and honestly I could eat the whole box in one serve if I, you know, allowed myself to, but that's a lot of fat, so I don't know. But go pick these up if you guys like scallops, and they're just really yummy, so I highly recommend those. And the last bag, but why do I feel like this haul is so short? It's because I didn't get distracted in the store. So I got paranoid. You guys know, if you watch my other Trader Joe's hauls, I typically pick up the vegan cookies that are already baked, and I didn't see any of them. So I asked at checkout, like, oh my god, did you guys get rid of them? Trader Joe's is very known to get rid of stuff and then bring in a lot of new stuff all the time, and I guess they were just out of stock or something because they're so bomb. So instead of getting those, I decided to check these out. These were in the new section, and I might try them out right now, although I don't want to ruin my appetite. I haven't eaten today. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Oh my gosh. I'll try it out for you guys. F it. But this is the crunchy sprinkle cookie, and this really intrigued me because it's marketed for people like me that have crazy allergies. So it's vegan and gluten-free, and it's top 8 allergen free. So no nuts, no egg, no wheat, no dairy, no soy, no fish. Mustard is an allergen. I didn't know that, but that's listed. Sesame free and sulfate free. So I don't really know what they put in these cookies, and this was like $4. So I got this one, and then I also got the chocolate chip cookie as well to try out. So it's either gonna be a hit or a miss. I'm so confused. They said 3 was in the box. Oh, 3 is a serve. I swear I can read, guys. I don't know, but they're very mini. So this is like a birthday cake inspired flavor. That's what they look like. So I'll try those at the end of the video so I can wash my hands and stuff. And then I'll show you these. I don't mind eating cookies when I'm trying to gain weight. Definitely curbs my appetite, and as long as it, you know, fits in my macros, I don't care. So these are the chocolate chip. These look so good. Now, if you like a crunchy cookie, this might be for you. I'm more on the soft side, but we'll try that out. And then I also got some quick salad kits. These are great to have if you're on the go, you want something quick and fast and easy in the kitchen. So I haven't been buying salads just because I haven't been eating vegetables. I'm not the type to just, you know, crave veggies all the time, but I'm trying to get back into it. So this one is the Veggie and Green Salad Kit, and has crunchy blend of cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, radish, and just like a bunch of stuff. Very green, very hearty. I wanted to get some of that chicken and chop it up and throw it inside. And I believe this one is dairy free. Like, the dressing is a honey ginger dressing. So I can't remember if I use the dressing or if I use my own. I'm pretty sure I make my own dressing with this. because I like my own dressing at home. And I do have a guide for you guys that has like 20+ recipes, healthy ones, meal prep ideas, all that good stuff. So I'll just drop the link down below for you guys if you're looking for something to help kickstart your healthy lifestyle. Maybe you don't know what foods to eat, maybe you want like a cute printable weekly meal plan. I have that in there as well, and it's instant PDF, so you don't have to wait for it to come in the mail or anything. So I'll just drop the link for you guys down there. And I also have my fit guide as well, like my workout plan for 30-day shred if you guys are interested. So the other salad kit I got was the Southwestern chopped salad. This one's also very good, very easy, and you don't have to do much. Simple. Oh, and they also came out with this avocado oil spray. I swore they already had this, but maybe it was another store. So I just picked up one of these. It says 0 calorie for 1/3 of a second spray. I don't really know how you measure that, but I love avocado. It's a great source of healthy fats. This is definitely something that you want to use. I love the cooking sprays though too. This is just great to just get the pan nice and greased without adding a ton of calories. Oil has so much calories. It's very calorie dense compared to, you know, your proteins and your carbs. So when tracking, it's super important to monitor that, because you'll be surprised at how much calorie is hidden in just, you know, a tablespoon of olive oil, for example. So, ooh, Trader Joe's also dropped this little guy. This is the Cuban style Crusty, oh my god, it's not crusty, Citrusy garlic seasoning blend. And this one has a mix of garlic, citrus acid, salt, lime, red pepper, bay leaf, coriander, cumin, black pepper, just a bunch of stuff, cilantro, basil, lime. I mean, I'm just gonna put this on, honestly, popcorn would be bomb, chicken, of course. Definitely could see this on some seafood, or maybe even like baked potato, I don't know, like potato fries that you make at home. So I'm excited for that. I re-upped on some black pepper. And I also got a bag of limes for my waters. And I got myself a chicken soup. I'm definitely a soup lover. This is so bomb. I love to bulk it up with some rice. Again, keep it simple. And then I got myself some apples. I haven't been eating apples much either, so I thought I would just pick up a few to add into my meals this week, just for a snack. And I get the Envy apples. They're very big typically, and they're super crunchy and juicy and sweet, like lightly sweet. I love them so much. So that was the last thing that I picked up for my grocery run this time around. And I'm just gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna taste test these cookies for you guys and let you know if they're a hit or if you should just not even bother picking them up. I'm so excited though. I don't even know what to eat first, honestly, for today. All right, let's see what's up. I'm gonna try this sprinkle cookie first. So, ooh, they are very crunchy, very dry. So, I don't know. Me trying to be a beauty guru. All right, let's see. They smell good. If you like crunchy cookies, this is for you. But if you like soft cookies, you won't like this. It's lightly sweet. I think that's why I'm digging it, because I'm not huge into very rich desserts, and it's not heavy. It's a little dry. But if you're kind of like craving a cookie, this is good. This is guilt-free, because there ain't shit in this. What is in here? Gluten-free flour blend, buckwheat flour. This is so healthy for you. 1 gram of freaking protein. Here for it. 8 grams of fat. All right, this is the chocolate chip. Oh my god, my dog thinks this is a treat. I'm gonna try the chocolate chip. See how that is. This is it. This is a Kayla snack. Like, I don't have the biggest sweet tooth, so if you don't have the biggest sweet tooth and you want like a sweet treat, this is something I would recommend. Delicious. All right, guys. Oh, I need some water after that. A little dry. Just a little bit. I feel like I need to wash it down with a ginger shot, like me, balance. I need one of these today anyway, so. Ooh, that's it for my Trader Joe's haul this week. Let me know what new things you guys are loving at Trader Joe's if you've had a chance to pick them up and, you know, try them out. Sorry, my mouth is so dry from that that cookie. It's like a Popeyes biscuit. Oh my gosh. You're gonna need some oat milk to wash those down with. But yeah, this is what I have. I think for my next video, I'll come back if you guys are interested to do like a meal prep with me video / what I eat in a day. So definitely look forward to that on the channel. Thumbs up this video, subscribe, drop a comment saying hello, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.
I might go back in time and make the change. I'll say what I wanted